Are you ready to stream like a pro on your Xbox Series S? If you've struggled with setting it up for streaming, don't worry. I'm going to show you exactly how to set it up step by step. And at the end of this video, you'll be live and looking great. So first, let's start by getting the Twitch app. Go to the Microsoft Store on your Xbox and download the Twitch app. Once it's installed, open it up and sign in. You're almost ready to stream, okay? Now, the next thing you need to do is you need to set up your streaming settings, okay? Your stream settings. So go to the settings, go to the settings menu in the Twitch app. Here you're gonna adjust your stream quality to make sure that your viewers can see your gameplay clearly. So make sure your microphone and camera are set up too. So plug them in and test them before going live. Now let's add some personality to your stream. You're going to use Streamlabs or OBS Studio to add overlays and alerts, which can make your stream look way cooler. You can set up a chat box and follower alerts so that your viewers feel special when they interact with you. You want even more control? You can use your phone as a controller for easier stream management. So download the Xbox app and connect it to your console, allowing you to control your stream from anywhere. Lastly, don't forget to interact with your viewers. You know, this is how you grow your audience. So keep the chat fun, respond to comments, keep people coming back. If you like this video, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.